Hi, little friends. Welcome to Bubuplay. Let's count colorful ducks together and listen to them quack. Are you ready? Let's go. One duck, two ducks, swimming in a line, quacking, waddling, feeling just fine. Colorful feathers and numbers so bright, let's learn and laugh from morning to night. One red duck goes quack, 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 swimming in the pond, then waddles back. Two orange ducks with tiny feet waddle together, what a treat. Yellow ducks under the sun, splishing and splashing, having fun. Four green ducks flap their wings, dancing to the song as the barn bell rings. Quack, 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 let's count some more colorful ducks by the shore. 6 to 10, come join in too. So many ducks in red, green, blue. 6 purple ducks hop in a row, wiggling their tails ready to go. 7 pink ducks sing a tune, dancing in circles beneath the moon. 8 brown ducks stomp the ground, making a silly quacking sound. 9 white ducks wave hello, sliding in puddles to and fro. 10 black ducks all shout yay, we counted them all, hooray! 10 little ducks so bright and loud, marching along feeling happy and proud. Colors and numbers now we know, let's quack and ebb in the decoy. Great job, my little friends. You counted and quacked like pros. Don't forget to subscribe to Bubuplay for more fun songs and learning every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.